You want to learn how to massage brilliantly? If so, then keep at it. My name is Ulf Pape. I come from Germany. I have been a lecturer in massage therapy, osteopathy, and physiotherapy for almost 30 years. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to integrate elements from Shiatsu and Thai Massage into the Earl Massage. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. And let's get started. The topic are techniques on the leg. You start with a traction pull. Shift your body's center of gravity backwards. Then pull on the heel with one hand and give several pushes on the ball of the foot from your center line. This causes the client's entire body to move. On the next maneuver, shake out the leg. This Shiatsu technique is followed by a typical Thai massage sequence. Place the client's bent leg on the bench. Then climb up onto the bench and secure the client's foot between your thighs. First, stretch out the raised leg, using the dynamics of your whole body. Here you can see variations of the stroking massage. Move like a wave and breathe in and out deeply. Slowly increase the intensity. Apply more and more pressing pressure. Your strength comes primarily from your body's center of gravity. Use not only your hands, but also your forearms. You release a great dynamic. Use your forearm bones dorsally like a plane. This is very relaxing in the hollow of the knee. You should gently shake off the muscles in between. On the following maneuver, cross your fingers so that you apply pincer-like pressure to the medial and lateral quadriceps muscles with the balls of your hands. Acupress in the direction of the hip and then back again. Make sure that your back is straight and that you get the power from your core. Slide and press at the same time. Then acupress the quadriceps muscle with all your fingers, including your thumbs. Linger with your fingers and thumbs on tense areas. Cycle your fingertips and thumbs clockwise and counterclockwise. On the next maneuver, position your finger below the back of the knee between the gastrocnemius muscles. Shift your body's center of gravity backwards and let your fingertips melt into the myofascial tissue. Push and slide again and again. Move in the direction of the soleus muscle and the Achilles tendon. Then gently stroke out the bent leg. At the end of the sequence, tap the bent leg in various ways. Start with Thai massage tapping. So much for today. You can continue the treatment in a variety of ways. Subscribe to this and other channels of mine. I show you many tutorials of this kind. Thank you for your attention.